CIAS, the birth of Microsoft Word, a cornerstone of productivity. While Microsoft is often associated with its operating systems, it's the productivity suite, particularly Microsoft Word, that has become synonymous with modern office work. The pre-Word era. Before Word, word processing was a complex task. Early computers relied on text-based editors that were difficult to use and lacked formatting options. There were some dedicated word processors, but they were often expensive and limited in features. 1. The development of Word. In the early 1980s, Microsoft saw an opportunity to create a word processor that was both powerful and user-friendly. The company acquired a word processing program called Multimate and built upon its foundation. The goal was to develop a software that could handle complex document formatting, while also being intuitive for everyday users. The first version of Microsoft Word was released in 1983 for the Xenix operating system. It was a significant improvement over its predecessors, offering features like bold, italics, and underlining. However, it was the 1989 release of Word for Windows that truly revolutionized the word processing industry. With its graphical interface and YSIUIG, what you see is what you get, editing, Word became the de facto standard for document creation. Bill Gates and the vision. Bill Gates played a crucial role in shaping Microsoft's direction and, consequently, the development of Word. His vision for personal computing and the importance of software applications was instrumental in the company's success. While Gates wasn't directly involved in the coding of Word, his strategic leadership and support provided the environment for the product to thrive. Word's success was a cornerstone of Microsoft's dominance in the software industry. It became a staple in offices, schools, and homes, and its evolution has mirrored the broader development of personal computing. From simple text editing to complex document creation and collaboration, Microsoft Word continues to be a vital tool for millions of people worldwide. Would you like to know more about specific features or versions of Word?